With the Google Assistant on Shield, you can ask for almost anything. Like, "Okay Google, play the best of Katy Perry."
Katy Perry? Okay Google, play some jazz in the kitchen.
You could also tell Google to order a large Hawaiian pizza.
Pineapple on a pizza? No thanks.
How about show me beach destinations?
More of a mountains guy.
See the San Francisco Giants score.
New York Giants.
Turn on the AC.
Heater.
Come on, man. I need this voiceover job. How about auto-tuning? Horseshoeing? Beard grooming? Beard grooming? Are you serious?
Well, I'm going on vacation. Okay Google, show me some videos about beard grooming on YouTube.
Now with the Google Assistant on Shield and the SmartThings link, you're in control. Whoa, might want to postpone that vacation.
Okay Google, staycation mode.
Fire up your TV. Everything you loved watching online can now become a big screen experience. Introducing the Amazon Fire TV Stick. Get set for an all-new kind of HD TV entertainment. This ultra-compact, super-fast streaming device can play anything you want it to. Well, it's not a genie, but it can play movies, TV shows, songs and games through apps like Amazon Prime Video, Netflix, Hotstar, Gaana, Eros Now, and more, all on your HD TV. Setting up your Amazon Fire TV Stick is no rocket science. Just plug it into your HD TV, connect it to a power source and to your Wi-Fi for instant high-definition entertainment. All you need to do is log into your Amazon account and get started. On the Amazon Fire TV Stick, you can set the video quality for the content you stream. You can also set a monthly data consumption limit so that the device works well within your data plan. Say it, play it.
2.5 Men?
Unless you're munching on something, finding your favorite shows or movies using the Fire TV voice remote is a cakewalk. Using the Fire TV voice remote, you can search for movies, shows, even by actors, director, or genre. Sultan. Just say it, and the voice remote will immediately start streaming your show accurately. This device can tag along anywhere and everywhere. All you need is an HD TV, a Wi-Fi connection, carry it anywhere, and watch anytime. The kids will love it, thanks to the uninterrupted streaming of games and popular animated series like Animal Mechanicals, Chhota Bheem, and Sid the Science Kid. With its parental control feature, you can ensure that kids watch what's right for them. The experience gets even better with Amazon Prime. In addition to thousands of popular movies and TV shows, you also get access to Amazon original series anytime, any place. Switch to smarter entertainment today. Get the Amazon Fire TV Stick. Amazon Fire TV Stick. Fire up your TV.
Meet Roku Express, now 5 times more powerful than its predecessor. It's high-definition streaming made easy. Less than $30, and that includes an HDMI cable. there's a Roku player just for you. And every one comes with a simple and intuitive home screen, more than 500,000 movies and TV episodes, including free movies and TV shows on the Roku channel, the fastest way to find your favorites by title, actor, or director with Roku Search, and the free Roku mobile app to make your iOS or Android device the ultimate streaming companion. The all-new Roku lineup. Roku. Now this is TV.